Going ahead with the fourth individual project, over design of X Practice. Here are the projections as Swaraj tractors, which oil sump was manufactured and the shape was bit out, and the manufacturer is oil level indicator. A lot of operations are difficult. The operations are small but very difficult, because that the main problem was small things used to take large time. Tool change used to take more than the operation time. And if you could come down the cycle time, it will increase the production, and that is equal to the increase in sale of the company. That will increase the revenue of the company. So after considering that, the three axes which were considered while designing were not useful or poor. Why was globalization? The material was hard, so there was a lot of tool resistance or fear was considered, and they used to think standardization of tool, but it was not a good idea. The problem was so much that the new tool was designed, and because of that, the globalization concept for the tooling was totally failed in this thing. And going this next retooling, when you think about the retooling, our problem was finding a solution that we were regulating tool is not efficient because the design change is not possible factor for oil sump, and changing the standardization tool and eliminating the tool changing time problem design retooling is not as efficient in this case. So both to the design of globalization and design of retooling, but here after the time they got failed, and so there was a room for change in this thing. So it was not that sufficient. Going ahead was design of commonality. The oil sump was designed so that it can have a commonality in machine and tooling, but actually the condition is very time consuming. So after designing also there was a room for modification and elimination of the problem, and the commonality which is considered needed to be removed. So this was not good in this case. So commonality using here was also not good case because the element was so high. Okay, if we could. So here you can see two different tools on the left side, and one major tool. Combination of the tool was manufactured, which is don't have which was against the quality of the three. Here we can see the time has been increased by 1 minute, and if we take an half an a shift of an 8 hour, a production of one part was increased, which is equal to the $1,000 profit of the company, and that is the reason this whole project was being manufactured and the production was increased of